go. I done came down, hold up. I done came down, hold up. Grip the grain, roll up. And your girlfriend want a nigga like me, cause I ain't tryna control her. She call me when she wanna change. Black diamond my peak.
Just wait till I get my back row is like gone. Just know it's over. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. I have so much to do today. So much to do. So I'm trying to get this video out of the way first, and then I can start my day. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. So now I'm gonna start with my editing. I don't know if I'm gonna finish everything today because I have a lot of clips that I need to cut down, but by today or tomorrow would be my latest to upload that previous video that I'm working on. So yeah, and when I'm finished, I'll see you guys. As you can see from the previous clip, I went to the bakery. I got myself a raspberry croissant with a regular one as well. It was so good. The raspberry croissant had raspberry filling inside. I also went to the thrift shop, and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. I'm heading to a birthday party, a kid's birthday party. I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm just gonna get into my outfit. I do not know why this is not staying down, but it's really pissing me off. But anyways, this flowy dress from my closet. There's slippers right here from Betsy Johnson, and the gold earrings with my gold watch and bracelet, and this gold bag. So I'm not going to take you guys at the birthday party, but when I get back home, I'll show you guys what I picked up from the thrift shop. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Okay guys, so I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from the thrift shop. I got 2 dresses and they're from Zara. They're brand new. The thing with Zara, they send last year's season stuff to the thrift shop, especially the Salvation Army. My only gripe with them is that majority of the stuff, the zippers are broken, there's makeup stains, so you know, it's as is. That's how they sell it. If you don't mind buying them and taking them to the tailor or the seamstress, I'm gonna show you guys the 2 dresses that I picked up. First dress is this I don't know, it looks like peach. I think it's peach, and that's what it's looking like. Has ruffles, and I really love this dress. And like I said, brand new. The tag is on there. What happened with this dress is one of the straps was broken and all I did was sew it. That's it. Tag on there, and I got the dress for $7.99. Because I took off the piece where they're saying that the strap is broken, I really cannot see the original price for this dress. Love it. Love this dress. And this second dress right here, oof, it's my fave as well. I just love the color. Love the color. The color is like giving goddess. And the back, look at the back. Just wait till I get my back rolls gone. Just know it's over. It's over. Size medium. The first dress was a large. I do vary with Zara. Sometimes I fit in a medium, sometimes I fit in a large, and sometimes in a small. It depends. And the regular price is $70, and I got it for $11.99. And this one was perfect. There was no issue with this dress. So yeah, I need to wash them. So this is all for the thrift shop haul, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.